Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now let us see question number 2. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees angle with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. Find the height of the tree before falling down. Here you do understand. For example, this is the actual height of the tree before falling, right? And it indicates the earth. This line indicates, the horizontal line indicates earth. Now here what happens? For example, just imagine that this is the breaking point. Then what happens? This part of the tree, it falls this side, it falls on the earth, as this is the earth. For your understanding, okay, for giving more clarity, here I am going to change this color of the broken part, that I am changing the color with yellow, right? Right. Suppose here, this is the part of the tree which is broken and only this part fell down here. It has become so longer, right? Now you see, this part and this part both are equal. So this part of the tree, due to storm, it fell down on the earth. So length of this part and this part both are equal. Now let us label it as, here let us take AB be the actual height of the tree. So let us write here. Let us write the given data. Let AB be the actual height of the tree. Actual height of the tree. That is what we are asked to find. See the question. Find the height of the tree before falling down. Before falling down, it was AB. So here that is what AB is the question mark. That is what we need to find. And here this point, I am taking this as some C. So here we write, let C be the breaking point. C be the breaking point. So due to storm, what happens? Due to more wind, it is broken. Tree is broken at the point C, and this B, it touched the earth. It touched the earth. If you observe carefully, the B is the top of the tree. After breaking, the same B touched the ground. So here I am taking this point as B dash. B dash. B dash is nothing but B only here. Clear? This B, after breaking, it touched the ground. That too, here if you understand carefully, here it is making 30 degrees angle with the ground. So here 30 degrees can be written here. This is 30 degrees where the top of the tree, that too the breaking part of the top of the tree, it is making 30 degrees with the earth. Here AB is the earth. Clear? Now here anything more data given or not? See here, the distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. Where to write this 6 meters? See the distance between the top of the tree and the foot of the tree on the ground. That means here AB dash is 6 meters. AB dash is 6 meters. clearly the tree is perpendicular to the earth. Now here, what is the right angle triangle? CAB dash is the right angle triangle. CAB dash. Now here what is need to find now? We need to find here AB. For that we should find AC and then CB. So here to find AB, the requirements are, now in order to find AB, in a single shot we can't find AB. Here we need to find first AC. AC is to be found plus then BC or CB. BC. Clear? BC is nothing but B dash C. That means we need to find AC and B dash C. This is the main target. And now we need to find AC and then B dash C. So first I am writing here finding AC. Let us see how to find AC first. For this triangle, with respect of 30 degrees, what is AC? AC is the opposite side. Is it clear? AC is opposite side, whereas this 6 meters is adjacent side. This is adjacent side. Clear? So first, which theta has relation between opposite side adjacent side to theta? That is either tan theta or cot theta. Here I am taking tan theta. So here tan theta is equal to opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Here I am writing opposite side by adjacent side. So here tan, the given theta is here 30 degrees. Tan 30 equal to, for 30 opposite side is AC. AC by adjacent side is AB dash. AB dash. Let us substitute the values. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now AC let us write as it is. And AB dash. AB dash value is 6. So let us write here 6. On cross multiplication, AC is equal to, or root 3 into AC. Root 3 into AC is equal to 6 1 jar 6. From which we can find AC. AC will be 6 by root 3. 6 by root 3. Clear? Now here we need to do into rationalizing factor by rationalizing factor. So let us write into RF by RF. RF of root 3. Rationalizing factor of root 3 is root 3 only. So let us write this as 6 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So here 6 into root 3 let us write as it is by root 3 into root 3 is root 3 square. Square and root get cancelled. So it will be 3. Now here on cancellation, this is 3 1 jar 3, 3 2 jar 6. So 2 into root 3. So this is 2 root 3 meters. AC is 2 root 3 meters. Now still we need to find BC. Nothing but B dash C. Clear? So here let us write finding B dash C. Finding B dash C. Now here you see opposite side is known, that is 2 root 3. Adjacent side is also known, that is 6. Here I am writing opposite side is known, that is 2 root 3 meters. And adjacent side also known. Now here how to find AC, how to find B dash C. B dash C is what for this triangle? That is hypotenuse. If you understand carefully, there are many ways to find B dash C. First one, if we apply Pythagoras theorem, then AC square plus AB dash square is equal to B dash C square. From that we can find B dash C. That means by applying Pythagoras theorem, we can find B dash C. And another way, if you apply sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Theta is known, opposite side is known. From that we can find B dash C. Same way by applying cos theta. Cos theta adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here theta is known, adjacent side is known, hypotenuse can be found. If not secant theta, or we can use cosecant theta. Out of these, let us select the any one of these. I feel here sin theta will be easy for us. So here let us apply sin theta. So as you know, sin theta formula, sin theta is equal to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Let us substitute the values. Here on substituting the values we get sin theta, here theta is 30. So sin 30 degrees is equal to opposite side is AC, that is 2 root 3. So first let us write AC is the opposite side and B dash C is the hypotenuse. B dash C. Let us substitute the values. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to AC is 2 root 3. Just now we found here. Let us substitute 2 root 3 by B. B dash C is to be found. Let us write as it is. On cross multiplication, 1 into B dash C is B dash C equal to 2 2s are 4 into root 3 is 4 root 3. Here understand this 2 is to multiply this outside 2 only. Let us write root 3 as it is. So finally B dash C is 4 root 3 meters. B dash C is 4 root 3 meters. As we know, B dash C and BC both are equal, so BC is also 4 root 3 meters. Now here we can write, if not we can write here. So BC is also 4 root 3 meters since B dash C and BC both are equal. Now we came to the conclusion, that is we need to find AB. So here now AB is equal to, now here we can write AB equal to AC plus BC. AC is here 2 root 3, AC is here 2 root 3 plus BC is here 4 root 3. In these two you can take root 3 common, then 2 plus 4, root 3 into 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 is 6, root 3 into 6 is 6 root 3, or you can add directly 2 root 3's plus 4 root 3's, total 6 root 3's. And here units you see, everything is in meters, so this AC is also in meters. So AB is also in meters. So finally we got here AB. Now we need to write the last statement, that is what here you see, find the height of the tree before falling down. Let us copy the statement here. Therefore the height of the tree before falling down is 6 root 3 meters. So with this problem 2 gets completed.